Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got another lock for you today. It's a quick set. It's by Jeffrey Post, and it's called Welcome Home. There's the bidding on the key. And we're going to try to get into it. And Jeffrey, thank you for cutting these tangs off. A lot of guys still leave those things on. I really appreciate you cutting that off, buddy. It just makes it more convenient for everybody. So I am going to try and pick this with my Daz Evers pick, one of them. And let's see what we can do with this guy. Okay, we got a lot of crunchy going on here. Oh, I think I thought I had a false set going there. Good one. Let's try the front pin. So it still feels like it's not set. And I think I lost it. Whatever I had. We're open. That, my friends, isn't open. Wow, cool. All right. I want to set that back over there. Don't want to mess it up. And we'll get into this thing. There we are. Add a little more light here, I think. Let's see. It should just push off. There it goes. And we are here. Okay. Ooh. And through. And looks like we got threading in 1 and 2, 4, and it looks like countermilling in 5. Yeah, countermilling in number 5. Pin 1. Ooh. Come on. Yo, it's catching on. It's catching on that spool style to the pin. Come on. Doggone. Would you quit? That is a slick pin. Dang. They are not cooperating with me, folks. I tell you, it's hilarious. They're going to get me one way, they're going to get me the other. That's still upside down? Come on, cooperate. Oh, are you kidding? It just flipped when I got it to the bottom. This thing does... You stupid. Okay, now you're just getting irritating. Alright. Okay, yeah, I'll show that to you again right there. So, that was... Okay, there's our top. Get my fingers to work. That would be really nice. Okay. Nice. That facing that direction. Okay. This is facing this direction. Oh, it's a pin in pin. Ooh, nice. Show it to you in a second. Kind of like getting these out the way they... Oh, what are you doing? Oh, okay. Oh. Yeah, I'm going through the back. Oh, last one. And let's see what we got up top here. Looks like threading in 4, 5, and 6. Yeah, threading in all of them. 1 or 4, 4, 5, 6. There's 5 pins. Yeah, and all 5 pins there's threading in the top. Okay, well, this is Welcome Home by Jeffrey Post. And take a look at that number 2 top driver. It's a pin in pin. Let me see about moving that one up for you. Goes right up in there, just smooth as silk. And we got double spool, single spool, standard spool, double spool. You got a double spool. These are all sitting in like this, the way they are. This was facing the shear line, so that's what we got, guys. And they all look like all standard springs, all same springs. So thanks for watching, everybody. Stay legal and have fun. Thank you, Jeffrey, for putting this out in the community for us to play with, and more success to you, buddy. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description. Okay, everybody get over there and give him a visit. All right, bye.